see that. Okay, so we're gonna take the ear. And that's it. That's it. Okay. Sorry. This one. Done. I know, not the most fun thing in the world, but it helps.
I felt and cracks.
Yeah, that's great. We actually just moved the 3 tiniest bones in your whole body that are in your ear.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate
My
it.
pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.